Advanced clothes vocabulary. Stockings.
Stockings.
She wore black stockings with her dress. Romper.
Romper.
The baby is wearing a cute romper. Jumpsuit.
Jumpsuit.
She wore a blue jumpsuit to the party. Cardigan.
Cardigan.
I put on a cardigan because it was chilly. Blazer.
Blazer.
He wore a blazer to the interview. Waistcoat.
Waistcoat.
The waistcoat matched his suit perfectly. Poncho.
Poncho.
She wore a poncho during the rain. Dungarees.
Dungarees.
The child wore denim dungarees. Tracksuit.
Tracksuit.
He exercises in a tracksuit. Tank top.
Tank top.
She wore a tank top on a hot day. Leggings.
Leggings.
These leggings are very comfortable. Tunic.
Tunic.
She paired the tunic with leggings. Kimono.
Kimono.
She wore a traditional kimono. Bathrobe.
Bathrobe.
He put on a bathrobe after showering. Overalls.
Overalls.
The farmer wore overalls while working. Suspenders.
Suspenders.
His suspenders held up his trousers. Polo shirt.
Polo shirt.
He wore a polo shirt to the golf course. Turtleneck.
Turtleneck.
She wore a turtleneck in winter. Windbreaker.
Windbreaker.
The windbreaker protected him from the wind. Raincoat.
Raincoat.
I wore a raincoat during the storm. Trench coat.
Trench coat.
She looked elegant in a trench coat. Parka.
Parka.
The parka kept him warm in the snow. Camisole.
Camisole.
She wore a camisole under her blouse. Crop top.
Crop top.
She bought a stylish crop top. Peacoat.
Peacoat.
The peacoat was warm and fashionable. Pullover.
Pullover.
He wore a pullover on the cold morning. Beanie.
Beanie.
She wore a beanie to keep her head warm. Moccasins.
Moccasins.
The moccasins were soft and comfortable. Espadrilles.
Espadrilles.
She wore espadrilles on her beach vacation.
Yeah!